Yeah, it's your man Big John again with the one swab Chevy. Y'all see it. She done. 2 weeks after it was painted. Somebody cut him off. He lost control in the rain. Went through a fence. That's a fence pole sticking through the roof. Out the back tail light. That's my man Big Stu right there. Another sad day with the Chevy family.
Back up there.
Where you want me to put it? In one of my cars?
I'm trying all of them.
Yeah, Nick keeps saying, because Nick having a sad day too with his damn Impala. We ain't having luck with these Chevys. I think we're going to sell them all and buy some Fords or something.
No, not me.
You ain't buying no Ford?
No.
You gonna keep on the Chevy game?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna buy me a Volkswagen van and call it a day. A little VW bus.
I think I'm about a Falcon to call me East Atlanta Bird.
What? Damn. 2 weeks after it was done. We picked this up 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks and a day. My man Big Stu. Told him this material. I know it hurt because I done lost cars too. From either being stolen or crash. Just got to get your game back up and get another one, that's all.